So what if I told you that the most powerful tool for building muscle isn't actually in the gym? What if it's in your bedroom? Today, we're diving into how you can literally sleep your way to a stronger you. Let's get right into it.
But first, let's kick things off with a pretty wild fact. Did you know that athletes who sleep less than 8 hours a night are 1.7 times more likely to get injured? Just think about that for a second. All that hard work, all that dedication could be completely undone by what happens after you turn out the lights.
And that is exactly why understanding the science of sleep is so critical for anyone who's trying to improve their health and performance. So, welcome to Sleepedia. This is where we connect the dots between your pillow and your personal bests.
Okay, let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like you're just spinning your wheels? You know, you're putting in the hours, you're lifting heavy, you're trying to eat right, but the scale just isn't budging, and the mirror looks exactly the same. It's that super frustrating plateau that just makes you want to quit.
Well, here's the thing. The culprit probably isn't your workout routine, and it's probably not your diet either. The real saboteur of your fitness goals is likely the one thing you're not actively doing: getting enough high-quality sleep. Let's dig into why.
It is time to completely reframe how we think about this. You know, sleep isn't just passive downtime. It's an active, powerful recovery state. It is, without a doubt, your ultimate secret weapon for building a stronger, better you. And a huge player in this whole process is something called growth hormone, or GH for short. Just think of it as your body's own personal, elite, overnight construction crew. When you work out, you create these tiny micro tears in your muscles. Well, GH is what gets released during sleep to repair them and rebuild them even bigger and stronger. Oh, and it's also a big deal for burning fat.
And the difference between getting enough sleep and not getting enough, well, it's night and day. Literally. With quality deep sleep, your body gets this massive surge of growth hormone, basically turning on all the floodlights for muscle repair. But when you're sleep deprived, that critical release just plummets. It's like your muscles are left waiting for that construction crew that never really shows up.
But it's not just about repair, right? It's also about refueling. Your muscles run on this super important fuel called glycogen. And guess when the prime time is for your body to completely restock those fuel tanks? You got it, during deep sleep. So you have to ask yourself, are you starting your workouts on a full tank, or are you running on fumes before you even pick up a weight?
Okay, so we know sleep is crucial. But did you know that when you work out can matter just as much as how you work out? This is where your body's internal 24-hour clock, your circadian rhythm, comes into play. Let's see how you can use this to your advantage.
Just take a look at this. It's kind of like your body's daily performance map. That super early morning workout might feel heroic, but it's happening when your body is at its coldest and, honestly, least prepared for peak output. The real sweet spot, for most of us, is that late afternoon window, right between about 4 and 7 p.m.
So what's the big secret to this afternoon advantage? It's pretty simple biology, actually. Your core body temperature is naturally higher, your muscles are way more flexible, your reaction time is quicker, and your nerves are just firing faster. Your internal clock is literally setting you up for success and even helping you reduce your risk of getting hurt.
Now, understanding all this science is one thing, but actually putting it into practice is what really matters. And the good news is, you don't need a fancy lab or any expensive gear to do it. Here is a simple 5-step sleep upgrade you can start tonight for some seriously powerful results.
All right, let's break these down real quick. Number 1, anchor your wake-up time. Consistency is everything. Waking up at the same time every single day, and yes, I mean weekends too, is the strongest signal you can send your body's master clock. 2, get some morning sunlight. Just 10 minutes tells your brain to shut off sleepiness and starts a countdown for you to feel tired at the right time that night. 3, time your caffeine. That 3 p.m. coffee could be robbing you of precious deep sleep at 1 a.m. because caffeine can stick around for up to 10 hours. 4. A tech blackout. That blue light from our phones and screens tricks our brain into thinking it's still daytime, which stops the release of our key sleep hormone, melatonin. And finally, number 5, keep your bedroom cool. Your body needs to drop its core temperature to fall asleep and stay asleep, and a cool room just makes that whole process way easier.
So the takeaway here is this. Your workout doesn't end with that last rep. It just transitions to its most important phase, the one that happens on your pillow. If you treat your sleep with the same focus and dedication that you give your training, you will unlock a whole new level of strength and recovery.